3 weird ways to make money on Fiverr. Number 1, just listen. Can people call you and you'll just shut up and listen to them? I'm serious, because there's a ton of people making money on Fiverr with just that service. Just go on Fiverr and list yourself as a listener. Number 2, become a design agency. So there's you sitting there right now going, I don't know how to design. I don't know how to start a design agency. Great. Learn about something called Canva. People will pay you $30 to $40 for things that Canva already has in there. It takes you minutes to learn. Or get $30 or $40 for someone else on Fiverr for $20. Number 3, this is so funny. Transcription. Yeah, I know, you don't want to have to sit there and listen to someone and write it all out. Right. So just take that audio file, upload it to something called DotCom. It uses artificial intelligence and transcribes it for you. And boom, give it to the other person. Now I know you're thinking, you don't want to rip people off, right? Well, you're not. They wanted a service. You are giving them exactly that. You're giving them exactly what they wanted. How you did it is your business. They got what they wanted. Now, if you want a method that you can make a lot more and a lot easier, I'm talking 4 figures every day, seriously, then comment ready, and I'll reach out to you with a completely free training. Or go to the link in my bio and grab that free training.